So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how you can transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet. So most of the tutorial that I've been seeing is probably how to transfer Toncoin from other exchanger, but we are going to be using USDT for this particular purpose. So the first thing you have to do is to ensure you actually sign up for Tonkeeper wallet, and the next thing you have to do is to click on this USDT wallet. As you can see, you have a USDT wallet aside from Toncoin. So you are going to click on this receive button over here, click on it to copy your wallet address. So we are going to copy your wallet address over here. We are getting our wallet address, and you are going to go back to your Bybit account. So this is your Bybit account, and you are going to go over to this asset option. Click on this asset option over here, and you are going to click on withdrawal. So click on withdrawal over here, and it's very simple and very straightforward. So as you can see, you are going to click on this USDT option because you actually want to transfer USDT straight from Bybit to Toncoin. So we are going to click on it, and we are going to actually paste the wallet we copied from Tonkeeper wallet, paste it over here, and we are going to choose our network. So the network that this particular address is running on is Ton network. So we are going to choose Ton network. As you can see, we actually have Ton over here. So, and the good thing about this particular network is 100% free. We are not paying for this particular transaction. So click on this particular option. We are going to choose Ton. Is $0 fee, so you are not paying any money. So click on it and choose the network rather. So as you can see, it is very important to add memo. So memo is actually required for this particular network if you are actually using Ton network. So, and more also, you can actually add any memo. It's not really important like that. It's just like you're transferring from one bank to another. So you have to add your payment description. So you can add something like Toncoin. So it's not 100% important. So as you can see, we've successfully added our memo. So the next thing is to actually enter the amount we actually want to transfer. For this particular tutorial, I'll be actually transferring just like 10 USDT over here to this particular wallet. So as you can see, we are going to receive 10 USDT on dot due to the fact that this particular ton to ton transfer is 100% free. They are not charging us any fee. So we are going to click on withdraw over here, click on withdraw, and the next thing is to actually click on confirm this particular transaction for them to actually send the fund. So the next thing I have to do is to get my code to my email address. So I'm going to click on get code over here, get code, and also I'm going to actually get code for my Google Authenticator. So let me pause it and show you when I'm done. So as you can see, I've successfully pasted the code for my Google Authenticator and also for my email. So the last thing I have to do is to confirm this particular transaction. So, and this payment is going to be placed on hold for them to actually transfer the fund directly from Bybit to Toncoin wallet. So it's very simple and very straightforward. So I have to pause this video, wait for them to actually do the depositing, then I will continue the video as soon as I actually receive the payment.
A few moments later.
Guys, after waiting for about 15 minutes or so, I actually got a mail that the withdrawal has been successful. So I have to go back to my Tonkeeper wallet to show you how easy it is. So as you can see, we successfully received, if you check our USDT wallet, you are going to see that we actually received 10 USDT from Bybit. So as you can see, let me click on it to show you. So this is the transaction details. We actually received 10 USDT using Ton network. And the good thing about this particular network is it's 100% zero fee. So you are not paying any transaction fee using this particular method. And for those that actually do airdrop, that want to actually use this particular USDT for their gas fee, so it's very simple to transfer your USDT to Toncoin. So all you have to do, let me show you, is very simple. So this is your wallet and you have USDT already. So we are going to click on it. Let's click on it, and we are going to click on this swap button. Click on this swap over here to show you how you can actually convert the USDT to Toncoin. So it's going to load up a page for you. So as you can see, we are going to swap USDT to our Ton. So we are going to click on how much do we have. We have 10. So we have 10, so 10, and we are going to get 1.51 Toncoin. Is very simple and very straightforward. So for the purpose of this tutorial, let me quickly show you exactly how you can do that, so that I'll be able to use to claim any of your airdrop. You can use it as a gas fee for any of your airdrop. So let's click on confirm over here, and this is the transaction details. 10 USDT is going to give you 1.5 tons. So click on confirm and we are good to go. So it's going to load up a page for us. So as you can see, it said as you swipe to left to actually get this particular transaction. So due to the fact that this fee is kind of high, so I will not be doing that. So if you actually want to deposit your Toncoin directly, I think using other exchanger is kind of cheap, unlike you actually transferring from USDT to USDT. So if you use Ton, it's going to be more cheaper. I hope this video actually help you out to do one of your transaction on different exchanger. Please give it a thumbs up so that we are going to be seeing this kind of videos on my channel. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video.